that goal.
Riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula pachoka FKF otieko tiegruok mar jopuonj adhula rang'iny mar CAF A mano ibage skund tiegruok mar Kenya Institute of Special Education. Tiegruok no nokawo dweche 6 ka jopuonj maromo 25 oyudo obokegi mag CAF A.
It was quite an intense course, for sure, because it is first of its nature in the country. Yeah? So we learned a lot. We hope that we have been imparted a lot to our coaches. Our coaches deserve the best. They are young generation, and the modern trends of football dictates that you must always pump a lot of very positive information to them to see if we can change the magnitude of the game. Since it's also one of the latest trend where science and football is really moving hand in hand, we made sure that there was more science into everything they did in terms of mastering the periodization, because coaches are always the performance analyst.